Ganja with Zion music, yeah man. Before before the sun peak over hill. Me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song. Tell the world fi right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above. Feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the eld upon the stone. Chant and reason both Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon chain can bind. Zion dwell in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away. Reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb, the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Naya Bingi drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell the story naturally. No man can dim Jah light. Morning push away the night. Me reach the clearing where people meet, sharing fruit and bread so sweet. Children dance in the morning rain. No worry, just pure play. Me pass the herb from hand to hand. One love circle pon the land. Morning time me feel so blessed. Zion spirit make me rest. Before the noon me lift me song. Fi keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow. In Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Morning in a Zion, pure and bright. Guide we through the day and night.
Jamaica Kingston, cushion of the paper.
Me walk on earth like ancient tree. Roots deep down in history. Me crown lock up, me spirit free. Me face the sun, me bend fi breeze. Me eyes not blind, me sight not dim. Me drink the herb, me sing a hymn. Mountains whisper, rivers talk. Me soul awaken when me walk. Me no in a rush, me take me time. Every moment is Jah design. Me light the chalice, inhale peace. Exhale worries, let trouble cease. Me hear the call of ancestors. Them guide me through the stormy waters. Me chanting bridge, me plant seed, me water tree, me do good deed. Love are the only real law, the only one me ever saw. Me not carry no vanity, just a bag full of humility. So when breeze blow and leaves a fall, me still hear just silent call. Me spirit dance like burning flame, me know who I am, me know me name. Rasta live, Rasta lead, me heart clean, me soul a feed. Me path simple, me steps true and Jagadi in all me do. Jah guide me.
Aye, 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 Zion. Play the music, yeah, man. Underneath the coconut tree, me sit and reason with the breeze. Herb in a chalice, spark the flame. Me call upon Jah holy name. The birds them fly in a sacred dance. Me eyes closed, me spirit in trance. Me no need no riches nor gold, just truth me heart forever hold. Me take me steps on sacred ground. Every footstep make a conscious sound. Me soul wash clean by river water. Me chant down lies feed the sons and daughters. From the hills of Zion, sea so blue. Me live one life, and that life true. Me temple now built from Babylon stone. Me mind and heart, that's Jah throne. Walk with I on the Rasta way, where ganja smoke rise and worry sway. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walking Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love on the sacred flame. Me grow me food, me till the land. Me praise the Most High with every hand. No poison in a me plate, only ital vibes me cultivate. Me woman strong, me children wise. We teach them truth, not dealing lies. The system can't trap me mind. Me meditate and realign. Me light me spliff for meditation. Me chant for deep liberation. From Babylon chains me break free. Now me soul float like leaf pan tree. The rhythm guide me like compass star. Me heart beat deep like Naya drum afar. Jah love deeper than ocean tide. In a him presence me abide. Walk with I on the Rasta way, where ganja smoke rise and worry sway. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walk in Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love on the sacred flame. Me no preach, me live example. Like the prophets from the temple. Me carry love like staff in a hand. We uplift people in every land. Me not follow no wicked trend. Me build, me reason, me defend. Every day a chance we grow. Me listen to Jah and let love flow. So when me journey reach the end, me know me walk with truth as friend. Me spirit rise like morning sun, cause Rasta mission never done. Me voice will echo through wind and tree, still chanting songs we set souls free. On this path of sacred flame, me live and die in Jah name.
Rasta man, smoke with Zion music, yeah man. Me rise up early, sun kiss me skin, herb inna me palm. Today me win, the lion heartbeat strong inside. Jah guide me steps, me nah hide. No weapon form against me soul can stand. Me walk with love, with drum in hand. Bird them sing, breeze tell story. Rasta man live for Jah glory. Me no worry about Babylon news. Them confused, but Rasta choose. Choose love, peace, truth and chant. Even when system try for plant. Doubt in a brain, fear in a chest. Me inhale ganja and exhale rest. Me beat drum under mango tree. Call the ancestors, set me free. Lion heart in a morning light. Herb unclean, me soul feel right. No stress, just Jah energy. Me live in a love and harmony. Yes, me chant and me dance all day. Give thanks for the Rasta way. From roots to crown, me stand firm tall. Jah lift me every time I fall. Pan hill, just me out, me spliff, me pot fi fill. Ital food bubble, spirit grow. Rainfall sweet, make me garden flow. Each step me take with care. Me plant seed of hope everywhere. From Kingston to Addis Ababa, me voice echo like Nayabingi lava. Them ask me why, me always smile. Me say Jah love it stretch me mile. Me say no chain can bind me soul. Me freedom deeper than silver and gold. So me dance in a sun, chant in a night. Every moment sacred in Jah sight. Me no follow hype, me follow sound. Heartbeat reading Zion ground. Lion heart in a morning light. Herb unclean, me soul feel right. No stress, just Jah energy. Me live in a love and harmony. Yes, me chant and me dance all day. Give thanks for the Rasta way. From roots to crown, me stand firm tall. Jah lift me every time me fall. Me link with brother them in our hills. We sip tea, chant and catch them chills. Talk about prophecy, talk about life. Talk about how love cut deeper than knife. Some lost them way, some find them light. But Rasta man walk straight through night. The road rough, but me heart stay strong. Sing one love in every song. So when the day done and stars appear, me still hold Jah message near. Me light one spliff, me bless me bed. Jah protect me from dread and dread. Me dreams full of rhythm and flame. Me wake up next day and do the same. Cause me life for him, me days a prayer. And Jah love always right there. Na na na, Zion reggae, and meditate, yeah man.
the sky in gold. Me sit on the hill, watch the story unfold. Spliff in a me hand, heart in a chance. Now you bring the rhythm, the soul start dance. Ganja cloud curl like ancient prayer. Calling Anja, no say him near. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Just the fire, the herbs, Anja holy name. Rhythm beat like heartbeat steady. Me soul clean, me spirit ready. Babylon try, chain me thoughts, but Rasta free in every step me walk. Them build walls, me build bridges. Them love war, me chant peace for the children. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. A future of love, me see it near. Evening smoke rise high, lift me soul to Jah sky. Drumbeat carry me far, past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun, till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion ground, where roots run deep and truth is found. Me chant psalms while me eyes are closed. Nature whisper all the things me know. Me no need no screen for see light. The fire inside keep me vibes bright. Me cook ital, live ital, think ital too. Me life a him, me words them true. Every puff a meditation, every beat a soul salvation. Fire blaze but me heart stay cool. Jah teach me love, me learn the rule. Rasta no bend, Rasta no break. Me rise up early for conscience sake. Me no need no church fi reach him gate. Me pray in silence, me no tempt fate. All me need is the earth and sky, and a drum beat strong when me spirit cry. Evening smoke rise high, lift me soul to Jah sky. Drum beat carry me far, past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun, till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion ground, where roots run deep and truth is found. Youth them lost in a denies and take. Them forget say life a deeper step. But when me drop rhythm and light that flame, me remind them of Jah holy name. Rasta nah preach for likes and fame. Me chant for the ones who feel the pain. Me bring them herbs, me bring them hope. Me show them all Rasta cool. So me drift in the night, so cool, so clear. The stars them whisper, no need for fear. Me close me eye, me still can see the path of love Jah set for me. Me chant me psalm in peaceful tone, with ganja breath in a flesh and bone. Me not chase crown, me not chase gold. Me chase the spirit that never old. Evening fade, but the light remain. Inna the smoke, me heal the pain. Every beat, every herb, every word me sing. I praise to Jah, to everything. So when the youth them light them fire, me hope me song lift them higher. Me story echo in every drum, till all the children know where them from.
Zion echoes, calling gold in a the boobats. Yeah man. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Roll the manly strain, make the fire ignite. Inna the darkness, Jah bring the light. The herb, a power, the wicked can't fight. Jah wisdom pure, it shining bright. Me sing for the sufferer, the broken chain. Reggae melody soothe the pain. From trench town struggles to Zion gain. The herb a make we spirits sustain. Pass the chalice, chant the holy word. The the message of peace, let it be heard. Inna the ghetto where the youth them stirred, the ganja fire make the open furred. Jah Herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Me see the tears in a mama's eye. The system cruel, them can't deny. The ganja garden and me reply. Selassie I guide me, just spirit high. Light up the sour diesel, the essence pure. Healing the nations, Jah Herb secure. The Babylon system can't obscure. With Jah inna me heart, me spirit sure. From the hilltop, the fire burn bright. The herb a make me vision insight. The rhythm a chant, me soul take flight. Selassie I bless me through the night. The herb a the healing, the love can't end. Jah Jah guide, we make the spirit mend. With the reggae rhythm, the vibes transcend. One love, one herb, make the fire ascend. Jah Herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Zion echoes, Cali Kush smoke. Me like the spliff, me feel the breeze. Me puff the herb, me live with ease. Me watch the smoke rise slow and high. Me feel the rhythm, me touch the sky. Purple haze, the best in town. Me pass the spliff, me never frown. Inhale the bliss, me feel the peace. Me puff the ganja, me soul release. The sunset low, the moon a shine. Me inna the zone, me sip the wine. The herb a the cure, me soul it heal. Me puff the weed, me feel the real. Every drag, me see the light. Me feel the calm, me feel the might. We inna the garden, the flowers grow. Me take the puff, the vibes a flow. Me smoke, me feel, me rise above. Me puff the herb, me feel the love. Jah guide me steps, me heart stay true. Me smoke the weed, me feel the you. We puff the sweet, we puff the strong. Inna the rhythm, we sing the song. Lemon kush, the flavor so nice. Me roll the spliff, me pay the price. Me step on the street, me feel so blessed. The herb for the soul, me never stress. Every drug a meditation for the mind. Me puff the ganja, me leave it behind. Me a the fire, me are the flame. Me puff the herb, me never tame. Herb a me guide, me soul it free. Me take a puff, me let it be. Me smoke, me feel, me rise above. Me puff the herb, me feel the love. Jah guide me steps, me heart stay true. Me smoke the weed, me feel the hue. Me light the spliff, me feel the way. Me puff the herb, me face the day. Herb is me friend, me rise in the light. Me smoke the weed, me live the fight. skyline shine, but soul feel drained. Concrete jungle drown you dreams, but roots grow still beneath them schemes. Them pave the road with promises fake. Them drown we deep in Babylon lake, but the heart hold ancient vision. Beat steady in Jah's provision. See the preacher, see the banker smile. Them sell lie in corporate style. Me na born fi obey no man. Me born fi chant till chains began. Roots over steel, me say again. Roots find crack, reach fi rain. Though towers rise high and proud, roots are whisper strong and loud. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. Them dig and dig fi tech and fame, but never find Jah's hidden flame. Me walk barefoot pon earth soil. Me spirit free, no machine spoil. Them call we backward, them scan we way, but roots stronger than systems play. Roots in we vice, roots in we hand. Roots in we dreams, roots in the land. No textbook teach the rhythm we know. Roots whisper when Babylon slow. Them can't plug out Jah vibration. Roots stronger than plantation. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. Roots over steel. Zion echoes real. Roots blaze, roots fly. Jah guide me. Ay, 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 ay. My Rastafari's, Jah bless the world. Me rise up early, sun in a me eye. Me hear Jah whisper from the sky. Them say go slow, but me can't wait. The fire in a me roots, nah hesitate. Babylon build walls round with soul, but me say love break every control. Them say follow the dollar, me say no. Me follow the river, me let it flow. Me granny say, youth mind your way, but me say granny, the system stray. Me nah fit in a the rat race. Me say truth live in a Jah face. Them want silence, me say vice. Them want fear, me say choice. Me say rebel heart, me say flame. Me chant freedom in a Jah name. Fire in a roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Jah soldiers never fall. Fire in a roots, me say rise. Like this city, like these skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music, shake the ground. Them put cameras on me street. Them say me dangerous cause me speak. But me lyrics nah bend, nah break. Me say rebel love, nah fake. Me say chant down every chain. Me say dance inna the rain. Me say uplift me brother, me say heal. Me say freedom, song real. Me say no machine can kill soul. Me say no wall can block gold. Me say from Kingston to Berlin, rebel voice still ring. Them say me too loud, me say louder. Them say me too proud, me say prouder. Me say Jah guide every step. Me say me nah have no regret. Listen now, can you hear it clear? The sound of freedom draw near. Me say march pon the street with drum. Me say Babylon time done. Me say heart over weapon. Me say truth over deception. Me say one love inna the crowd. Me say chant it strong, chant it loud. Fire in our roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze, Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Just soldiers never fall. Fire in our roots, me say rise. Light this city, light the skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music shake the ground. Me say from Africa plain to Caribbean sea, the rebel song set we free. Me say no chain for me mind. Me say leave Babylon behind. Me say children dance, elders smile. Me say walk free every mile. Me say no more war for oil. Me say plant seed in a soil. Me say turn up the sound system. Me say rebel music wisdom. Me say heal the wound with vibe. Me say live free, me say thrive. So me walk with fire in a me step. Me say love is all me rep. Me say roots deep in the ground. Me say hear it now, rebel sound.
I am reggae, yeah, man. Me climb the hill before the day. Me still dance and clouds still play. The drum of earth beat na me chest. Me feel Jah calling from the crest. Each step higher, me sight more wide. Babylon fade when Jah reside. Me reach the peak, me lift me hand. Give thanks for life and Jah creation grand. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Me see the river sneak below, flowing truth where all man know. The trees them sway in a sacred time. Every branch speaking holy rhyme. Me nah need gold, me nah need crown. Just the hills where pull me down. Me breathe the air so clean, so free. Zion giving me family. Me trod with brethren by me side. Each a warrior humbling pride. We carry drum and carry flame. We chant and praise Jah holy name. We set up camp where breeze blows strong. We reason deep till the night is long. Me feel Jah power in every tone. Each sharp the drum for him alone. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Step by step me trod for I. No turning back, no asking why. The chalice burn, the heart are pure. Each breath me take me over cure. Me hold the faith, me hold the ground. Each chant take our mountain sound. No man can buy the view me see. It's Jah creation set me free. I wind blowing on me dread. Pure meditation fill me head. From dawn till dark me nah retreat. Me keep me trot to just see. Morning come and sunlight break. Bird a sing and earth awake. Me pick some herb from mountainside. Herbal blessing Jah provide. Me sip me tea and give thanks more. Fi help, fi love, fi open door. And when me step back down again, me carry mountain in me brain. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar in the wind. Zion call me from within. Mountain chant till the morning dew. Zion path, me always true. Zion reggae, yeah man.
Zion rise up, no more chains. Jah fire burn the wicked flames. The people strong, the time is near. The trumpet sound, we have no fear. Babylon tremble, them can last. The righteous trod and move so fast. Me hear the cry from near and far. Zion shine just like a star. Me chant me song, me praise me king. Jah people rise, the victory sing. The ghetto youths them see the way. The light a shine, no dark today. Me stand firm, me hold the faith. No wicked heart can penetrate. Zion rise up, the battle won. The righteous march under the sun. No more sorrow, no more pain. Jah love a fall just like the rain. Me see the signs, me hear the call. The walls are crumble, Babylon fall. The elders chant, the children sing. Jah kingdom here, Jah is the king. The river flow, the garden bloom. No more darkness, no more gloom. Me walk with faith, me trod so high. The wicked flee, them can't deny. Jah light a shine from up above. We walk in unity and love. So chant the psalms and make it loud. The righteous rise above the cloud. The fire burn, the truth reveal. Jah children strong, we never kneel. Me look ahead, me see the way. The future bright, no more delay. The morning come, the night is gone. We chant for Jah, we sing with song. Me see the love in every face. The world unite in Jah embrace. No more war, no wicked fight. Jah light that shine so pure, so bright. Me lift me hands, me praise Jah name. Zion rise, we break the chain. Me stand up strong, me never bow. Jah rule the earth, the time is now. The drums are beat, the voices call. Babylon walls about to fall. Zion rise up, the battle won. The righteous march under the sun. No more sorrow, no more pain. Jah love a fall just like the rain. So me chant and me rejoice. Jah bless the earth, Jah bless the vice. The battle done, the future bright. Zion rising, Jah delight. The river pure, the mountain high. We chant for Jah, we never die. Jah kingdom strong, forever true. Zion rise, me tell you too.
Zion echoes jam on. Ash oil so good. Ha ha ha. Let's go. Weed in the night, we feel so right. We light this spliff, we burn it bright. In the night, the herb so sweet. We rise with the smoke, we find me seat. The night so still,
the stars them shine. Me light me spliff, me take the time. Me feel the peace, me feel the calm. Me light the herb, me find the balm. The struggle real, but me nah go back. Me rise above the pressure, me stay on track. Me burn the ganja, me clear me mind. Inna the night, me leave the stress behind. Me watch the moon, me watch the glow. Me burn the weed, me take it slow. Me feel the vibes, me feel the strength. Me rise with the herb, me go the length. Me find me peace, me find me place. Me take the smoke, me take the grace. The night so quiet, me hear the sound. Me burn the herb, me feel unbound. Weed in the night, me feel so right. Me light this spliff, me burn it bright. Inna the night, the herb so sweet. Me rise with the smoke, me find me seat. Me no rush, me take me time. Me light the spliff, me let the rhythm chime. Me burn the weed, me clear the ear. Me leave the pressure, me have no care. Me face the struggle, me face the fight. But me find the peace inna the night. Me light the herb, me rise to the stars. Me walk with Jah, me free from the scars. The smoke so sweet, the feeling so pure. Me rise in the night, me feel the cure. Me take the hit, me take the flight. Me feel the love, me feel the light. Weed in the night, me feel so right. Me light this spliff, me burn it bright. Inna the night, the herb so sweet. Me rise with the smoke, me find me seat. Me light the herb, me set the tone. Me rise to the sky, me never alone. Inna the night, me find me way. Me light this spliff, me rise every day.
Grape gasoline and the Macias paper. Yeah, man. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Me born in at the battle, me born for the war. Me rise from the struggle, me never feel far. Me heart full of fire, me soul full of scar. Me walk through the darkness, me shine like the star. Me no run from the fight, me stand up tall. Me face the pressure, me rise after the fall. Jah bless me steps, me answer the call. Me spirit unshaken, me hear the roar. Me roll the ganja, me mind in a trance. Me rise in the vibes, me start the dance. Me see the world, me get the chance to show me strength, to take the stance. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Me see the pain of the people all around. Me hear the cries, me feel the sound. But me stand firm, me feet on the ground. Me no back down, me rise, me bound. Me light the flame, me carry the torch. Me fight for the truth, me never approach the fake, the lies, me set me on porch. Herb in me hand, me like the scotch. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle,
struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up for right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright.
In the shadows where the herb them grow, Rasta man walk, the mystic flow. Guided by Jah, the fire low. The secret of the earth, we come fi know. Long time me hear about the Ganja King. Him walk the hills, the truth him bring. With the chalice blaze and a sacred strain. Enchant the psalms and heal the pain. Them say him find the holy grail. A herb so pure Babylon can't prevail. With lamb's bread lighting up the pot, he make the wicked tremble. Jah laugh. Ganja Mystic, the wisdom divine. Smoke rise high, Jah open the sign. On the journey we seek and find. Truth and fire, the world align. Babylon sent soldier fi hunt him down, but the mystic vanish, him can't be found. Him said the herb belong for the humble and meek. The healing of the nations, Jah words I speak. We burn the colonist in the sacred grove. The ganja light the way, Jah love we prove. From hilltop high to the valley low, Rasta chant, the herbs still grow. Them try to criminalize Jah plan, but Jah wisdom higher than mortal man. Herb are the teacher, the healer true. With every draw, Jah blessings renew. So like the chalice, the smoke can't hide. The mystic vision, Jah spirit guide. Forever Rasta, forever free. The herb will blaze for eternity. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. So like the chalice, the smoke can't hide. The mystic vision, Jah spirit guide. Forever Rasta, forever free. The herb will blaze for eternity.
Zion, eh, oh. Zion, eh, oh. That Canada, oh. Feel the herb in the air, oh, yeah. So rise high, we a go anywhere. John is the danger, is the heel and swell at the top, left share, left share. Them a try to silence we, but we still a talk. The ghetto youth rise, we ready fi walk. Babylon plan, but we break them chain. Jah rule, we break the pain. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, we stand up firm in Jah light. Them spread them lies, but we see it clear. The truth a shine, Jah always near. Feel the herb in the air, oh yeah. So cries I, we are bow anywhere. Jah best the damn giants, the healer, the share. Light it up, let's share, let's share. Them poison the youth with wicked mind. Try fi make them deaf, try fi make them blind. But the truth too strong, the fire blaze. The righteous rise in these days. Me trot through valley, me climb the hill. Jah words a guide me, me hold me still. No more chains pan me soul. Freedom shine, the story told. Rise up, warrior stand. Jah give the power fi move the land. No retreat, no surrender. The victory sweet, we remember. Them can't stop the righteous plan. Jah work strong in every man. The system shake, the time soon done. We chant the psalm till the morning come. Really herb him at the air, oh yeah. So cries I, we a go anywhere. Jah bless the danger, this the healer, me swear. Light it up, let's share, let's share. Zion, oh, Zion, oh, Vicamadi goes. Ghetto youth rise, take back the street. Babylon tremble under we feet. The struggle real, but the love much higher. Jah at the source, Jah the fire. Me see the vision, me hear the call. The system crumble, the wicked fall. We nah bow down, we nah take bribe. Jah people strong in every tribe. One love, one light, we shine so bright. The darkness fade, we win this fight. Drums are beat, the sound a roar. The gates of Zion open door.